Alrighty, I love doing these studio vlogs. Today was actually a pretty light day. I did some unboxing and all kinds of things. So let's get into it. So I started the morning off by casting some flasks that we had burned out the night before. And this is just me getting ready to put the flask on top of the kaya cast so that I can cast. This flask actually contains the wedding band to the ring that I made that I'll show you in another clip. And I'm going to be quiet because the quench is just so satisfying. Oh, I just love the sound. Anyway, this is the wedding band that goes with that ring. So once I casted it, I put it into the ultrasonic to get the rest of the investment off. Now, after I did that, I had to unpack or unbox a stellar order. This is one part of it. The previous part came the day before, and I had to order some French wire for the beads that you're going to see me string later. I actually had some really big beads that I'm going to be stringing too, and I had to get some of those stellar 90-degree burs. They are amazing. After I did that, I had to go over to my bench to prep for stringing. I had to move everything off and clean out my tray right here so that I could take it out and use that felt part of it. You'll see it in a second for the beads, because I did not want the beads hitting the bottom of this pan because I didn't want to damage the beads. So right here, I'm just cleaning everything up. Y'all know we save our dust over here. All metal gets recycled. It is necessary. Okay, so there's the green felt at the bottom, and I'm just cleaning up the excess dust, and then I bring over my tray so that I can lay all of the beads out for the bracelet. I'm making a 6-inch bracelet. Well, it's a little bit more than 6 inches, but that's how it's going to look. Those are 14 karat gold clasps that go on the bracelet. Then once I got that laid out, I went back over to the Paragon to put another flask in there to reheat and cast. And I'm going to be honest, I don't remember what was in that flask. But after the ultrasonic, I had put the wedding band into the pickle, and I'm just using the baking soda to get all that acid off. And then I put it in the tumbler for about 2 hours. And then once I did that, my flask was ready to cast. So I went back over to my casting area, and let's hear the quench. And once I did that, I went back over to my bench to get started on this ring. And there we are. All of the stones are set. I had to do my polish, and that was it. And I ended my day taking some footage of this tiger's eye bracelet to send over to my client. Hope you enjoyed. God bless.